In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable sleep mode on your ASUS laptop or tablet device or desktop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if your computer does not go into sleep mode. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Windows search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select System on the left panel. Now directing your attention over to the right panel here, select the power option and then select where it says screen and sleep timeouts. Expand that drop-down list, and then for the plugged in as well as battery options, if you're on a laptop or tablet device, make sure where it says make my device sleep after, click that drop-down and select anything other than never, because if it's set to never, then your computer's never going to go to sleep mode. You can also adjust when your screen turns off as well by clicking that drop-down. The two are often confused, but you may want to just make sure both of them are not set to never there because it may interpreted that sleep mode is not going into sleep mode, even if it is turned on, but the screen time turn off is adjusted to a different time setting. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.